How to reduce ulcer pain quickly. Are you having ulcer and you've been looking for ways to deal with the pain and also to help your healing process? In this video, I'll be giving you 4 ways in which you can reduce your ulcer pain very fast. I'm excited, like so excited to see you on this channel. And if you haven't subscribed, I will advise and encourage you to click on the subscribe button so that you get to see my videos every week. Immediately I post the video, so you get to have notifications. I am adewoletemilolu and I produce health and wellness content. I produce healthy food recipe videos. I also produce business content, fitness content. And so if you would want to be having more and more of this weekly, then you should go ahead and click on the subscribe button. I also have a gift for you at the information center. So ulcer. 4 ways in which you can reduce your ulcer pain like very fast. What is ulcer? Ulcer is actually a disease of the digestive system. They are painful sores that appears on the lining of the digestive system. And research has it that you can reduce or speed up your healing process with lifestyle modifications and your drugs. If you haven't seen your doctor, I advise that you see your doctor to rule out the causes of pains. So let's go into 4 tips that can actually help you reduce your ulcer pain very, very fast. Number 1, you have to boost your immunity. Of course, every disease starts from a compromised immune system, and your immune system is so important. So you have to boost your immune system by dropping poor lifestyle. In fact, poor lifestyle is actually going to slow your healing process. So drop poor lifestyle like smoking, like drinking, like taking poor diet, and begin to embrace healthy lifestyle that will actually help to boost your immunity and fight against such infections. Number 2, reduce the use of non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. These are actually drugs that are used to reduce pain by people who actually have arthritis or other diseases that are associated with pain. It helps to reduce it. And then for those who are actually having ulcer and are using this anti-inflammatory drug, it's advised that you see your doctor to have a replacement or you reduce the use of it, because it slows down the production of chemicals that actually helps to protect the lining of your digestive system, the lining of your stomach. So you do well to actually reduce intake of these drugs so that you can see an improvement in the healing process of cancer. Number 3, reduce stress. Yes, we don't have so much research on how stress is linked to how it affects ulcer, how it increases ulcer, but there's actually a connection between the guts, between the digestive system and the brain. And of course, when you are stressed, it gives you signals. Your body gives you signals. Stress actually contributes to increasing your ulcer symptoms. So you do well if you really want to help and reduce this ulcer pain. You have to look at embracing stress management, like having to do your exercises 3 to 4 times weekly, having to sleep well, then eating foods that will actually help to boost your brain, boost your digestive system, and also involving relaxing essential oils. And the 4th and the last that can really help you is reduce your ulcer pain quickly is for you to take probiotic foods or probiotic supplement. Probiotic actually helps to balance the bacteria in your gut. When the bacteria in your gut are not balanced, it actually helps to it aggravates these ulcer symptoms. So taking probiotic foods and probiotic supplements actually helps to balance the bacteria, helps to deal with the bad bacteria in your gut, helps to improve the good bacteria in your gut, helps to balance the bacteria, and by that way you see that there's actually an improvement in your ulcer condition. And yes, aside taking probiotic food, it is actually very important for you to take probiotic supplements, because by taking probiotic supplements you have enough you have enough probiotics. You provide your body with enough probiotics, and of course it's an investment into your health. So I hope you've gotten value. These 4 tips, keep doing them consistently, and of course you are going to see an improvement in your ulcer condition. Thank you for joining me. I hope you've gotten value. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, click on the subscribe button. If you have any question, drop in the information, drop in the comments. If you've gotten value, click on the like button and also share this to your friends and those who you know that it's going to be very useful for. Don't forget to get your free gifts on the information center. Thank you for joining me, and also I encourage you to go to the next video because you are going to find it very, very valuable. Have an amazing day. Bye.